I'm a stand-up nigga, got my bands up, nigga. You don't wanna see me pissed off. Real talk. Never tell a lie to a bitch, dog. When it come to me, gotta play around. And I never ever let the fuckery get to me. Why not? Niggas ain't worth my energy.
Welcome to my channel. It's Jen TV, but y'all knew that already. And I know y'all read the title, so we're just gonna jump right into the video. I just showed you guys the inside of the wig with the clips, and I'm showing you how it's really not shedding. It was like a strand or two. Y'all can't really see because it's blurry, but this is really a good wig. I do not remember the company, I'm sorry, but now it's time to get into bleaching the knots. So I'm gonna show you guys the process and the products and everything that I'm using, but it will be sped up. If you want to know in depth how to bleach your knots like to perfection, to give it that scalp look, I will drop the tag above on the screen, and you could go check out my video that I posted last year on how to bleach your knots. And I'm telling you, it's about 10 minutes long. It's extremely detailed, and you will end the video knowing how to bleach your knots to perfection, period. So again, I won't go in depth in this video, but basically this is how your wig should look, and you just let it sit and keep watching it every 10 to 15 minutes. So now these are the colors that I'm gonna use, but I honestly did not even need all of these bottles, and y'all will see once the video continues. So this part is self-explanatory, so I won't be talking as much. You guys can just watch. I'll be parting the frontal away from the track so I can then go in and start this root job. So enough of that, it was time for a smoke break. This is how the root job came out, and now it's time to do the watercolor method. For some reason, when I use Kiss colors, this always happens in the bowl, and you just gotta mix it up like as good as you can, because if there's too many lumps in there, the color can come out bad. So you just have to be cautious when you're using Kiss colors hair dye. But anyways, I used one bottle of both Dusty Rose and Rose Gold of the Kiss Colors collection, and that basically dyed the whole wig. And I believe the wig was 150 density, so that wasn't bad. I don't know if it was because the color was so light, but it took really good. I dipped it only a few times, as you guys can see, and now it's time to dry and fluff the frontal. The color took so well, like it really took so well. I was gagging. I don't know why I was scared to do this. I swore it wasn't gonna come out like the inspiration. I'm gonna try to insert a picture. Andre Cavassier really bodied this look, so yeah, when I saw it I was like, yeah, it's time to redo this. I haven't done color in a while, so I hope you guys like how this came out. And here I'm just plucking it. I do have a new plucking technique. I posted a video of how I pluck my frontals last summer, but that is an old technique, but it's old but still a goodie. So if you're a beginner and you want to know a simple way to pluck your frontal, I'm gonna leave that link on the screen, and y'all can just click it and go tune into that. Using Gots to Be freeze spray and a hot comb really ensures like your unit is gonna be done flat. Like, yeah, that's really the perfect combo when you want to get that frontal right. And yeah, so this is how it looks. And next up, I'm gonna start styling the wig. Oh man, this is how the inside look. It's like 4 or 5 clips. I don't really use them. Now I'm about to lace the tint. I said lace the tint. Tint the lace. And yeah, this is basically self-explanatory. Now it's time to install this wig, and oh man, we just gonna get right into it. Before you start applying any adhesive, you definitely want to spray a skin guard to protect your skin. But in this video, I'll be using Bold Hold liquid gel. I just want to try it out to see if this is a good product to use for a glueless install. And honestly, this is my second time using it. Bold Hold, I don't know about this product here because the reviews on Instagram is mad good, but I don't know if I'm not installing it right. Y'all gonna see. But yeah, it did not work for me, so I'm gonna just stick to my Erica J products for now. If you have a low hairline, don't do this at home. I was being lazy, but because it's a glueless install, I didn't do the bowl cap method. I just put the cap on, put makeup on it, and yeah, but I didn't glue it down to my skin. Because this product is basically a gel, I mean, you can get away with doing your install like this, but when it comes to adhesive, like real glue, don't do this because you will lose your edges. Problems of a low hairline girl for real, but yeah, this gel did not work. So yeah, like I said, I was having problems with the Bold Hold liquid gold gel, so I ended up using Erica J's Hold Me Down adhesive, the strawberry flavor. I mean, the watermelon flavor. I'm so sorry. I just came from rolling out and I'm tired, but I'm gonna finish this voice note. But yeah, so the wig is on, and now it's just time to, you know, do a little baby hairs and customize the wig, fix up the hairline to my liking. I hate doing my baby hairs on colorful hair because my hairline is so low. Like, I really gotta pluck the wig like OD to get it to like really look how I want it to look. And I'm not gonna lie, I was being lazy with this install, but I'm doing my baby hairs to the best of my ability, and yeah, they came out cute. I'm not gonna lie. Alright, so the edges is done, the wig is laid flat. Now I'm just looking to see how I'm gonna style it. if I can't go curly 9 times out of 10, I'ma just do bombshell curls, and that's what it's giving for this look. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all me doing a few before I go to the final look. So as you can see, the look is basically done. The lace was just white, so now I'm just going over it with cream foundation to camouflage the front of the lace, because clearly when I tinted the lace on the inside in the bold cap method, I ain't do enough. But yeah, as you guys can see, I'm just looking at myself. I really cannot believe I pulled off this color. It's so cute. If y'all like it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'ma definitely have more looks coming in the future. You know, this wouldn't have really been a look without layers. I didn't do too much though, you know, just a little 1-2 snip snip and boom bing bong. The look is really done. And again, don't forget to leave feedback. Like, I just can't believe this. I really have fun making this video. Thank you all for watching, and stay tuned for my next video.